March 13th, the government assured that there is no shortage of LPG cylinders in India and people should avoid panic booking. Officials in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas said uninterrupted LPG supply to households has been ensured despite the ongoing tensions in West Asia. Joint Secretary Sujata Sharma said domestic LPG production has increased by about 30% since March 5th to meet demand. She also stated that no LPG dealer in the country has reported running out of cylinders. However, the government said bookings have risen sharply. Daily LPG bookings have touched around 75 lakh compared to an average of about 55 lakh before the conflict, indicating panic booking by consumers. The concern comes as the West Asia conflict has disrupted energy flow through the Strait of Hormuz, a key global oil and gas shipping route. India imports a large share of its energy needs, including crude oil, LNG, and LPG, much of which normally passes through this route. Despite the global situation, the government said LPG supply in India remains stable and urged people not to panic or stockpile cylinders.